Good afternoon, traders. I promised you a video today. It will be not about any entries, maybe one, but yeah, today I didn't didn't take any trade. I missed my opportunity. Not missed, just price didn't reach my area of interest. So I will start today with naked chart, just with the real volume bars below, and to show you how I'm preparing my day and how I'm drawing my zones to start, yes, to look for setup inside my zone or very close to the zone. Today my focus was on that one supply. I will explain why. So let's draw this as on the course, right? Imbalance candle, indecision candle, and then huge leg out. Why exactly this candle? Price was in the big demand zone, and this incredible leg out created during Asian session, this is something we don't see often. Usually I don't trust the zones, any zones created during Asian session. I only trust the Asian high and low. And this was something unexpected. Yes, this one move destroyed the demand, proved with high pressure that this zone is worth nothing, and it was break of the zone. Then the second move here could be also drawn as a supply. Yes, we had reaction here, looks very nice, but I personally, this is of course, you can draw your zones as you want, but I choose the zones where the leg out has bigger volume than the base. Maybe this is the reason why sometimes I am missing the trades, but this is just my rule. I like this, and it's decreasing my number of losses. Trade way less, but with all rules. Yes, so I know that I promised you 2, 3, 5 setups maybe a day when we were talking together before joining this group, but I decreased this number to only see what I want to see, is to not join impulsively the market, but really with way less opportunities. But these are like my 100% trades or 99% trades. The big belief that this is the exactly one setup I want to join. So here we can see that the indecision candle has a bigger volume than the leg out. So with my way of thinking and understanding, this is bigger volume because the large orders placed on this supply or left on this supply were activated by this period of time. So it was like a pulling the trigger. But I prefer to see that the leg out is providing the price with higher volume. So this is just how I see this, right? So for me, this is the main supply. Here was the activation of orders. So I would like to see the price once again here to prove that this is the good supply. And I was waiting for nothing today. So secondly, this is the M30, right? But I could draw this zone as the no, this is the 1 hour time frame, sorry. But I could draw the zone as a 4 hour time frame, like this. Yes, bigger zone. Then I see that yesterday's high was also here, and there was the move to the down. Great move. So really I wanted to see the price here, especially that on footprint chart here were unfinished auctions with what observed already add, and I like this idea. So I didn't see here any reaction with 4 hour or M30 with nothing. But okay, this is just the first zone. Then I would draw the demand with same way. Let's check the volume. Yeah, the volume on leg out is not way bigger, but big. He was the powerful move. So we have a demand. It was created on the yeah, after 1 hour after London session yesterday. So I have here my demand. So 2 zones. Also what I like is here. It's powerful shot to the upside, incredible volume. So I would draw here also. Sorry, this throat problem is never-ending story. I apologize for coughing. Oh yeah, way better. So I have 2 demand zones and the supply. So the main idea would be join the market maybe after liquidity grab from this. This were also equal highs. Maybe joining lower, let's say somewhere here, to the demand as 1 to the 10 trade could be. Yes, this was my idea for today. Or if not, waiting for a buy from demand, but it is too late. Damn, sorry guys. But it is too late for me. I'm not trading New York session. Very lazy moving today. Oh, sorry, I just need to drink often now. So what I found on the chart, on the higher time frame, price is doing the big compression on 1 hour with last push, break of structure, yes, retest, also with compression on lower time frame here, and then crash. Yes, so this shows how strong sells were coming. So it was another reason why I wanted to look for a sells today, to join the big whales. Then I'm not sure if I will record this video to the end. It's horrible. But let's go, yeah. Okay, so now I want to add the market profile. Where it is here. I want to load my setting. Yes, okay. And I want to also load like 5 last days and set this as off. I'm going to M30 to see a bit more. So I have beautifully confirmed that here was the high volume area, and it was on Monday. Here was Monday move, high volume at the end of this wave, but price was still continuing as here price rejected. So really I trusted that this area is hardcore. So I would also mark this, oh, like this. Let's change just the color. So now I have supply with high volume area in this level, in this price area, sorry. And then what is important for me, between these two demand is another high volume area. So indeed powerful level. So for me, I would wait for deeper invader on this demand before starting looking for a buy. But yeah, price is moving how it's moving, very slow, very strange moves. I hate Januaries, are usually very slow for me. I remember last year when the candles were like 1 or 2 pips always on the 1 minute time frame. So this is my point of interest. Yes, I'm not marking this here in the middle. Honestly, I was just thinking that this can be broken, but it wasn't. So I have just my confirmations in my zones as a supply and demand with where the highest volume was. What I like to also do is to choose the previous week to see what's happening. This is previous week, yes, so these data are not overwriting. I'm not sure how to say this. It's because when I use that daily, the actual daily market profile, the levels are changing. Yes, If something was strong at 10 a.m., the levels can be different 1 hour later. Yes, this is live. But this is the market profile from previous week. So I exactly see that this compression here on higher time frame was indeed great compression, because so many sellers appeared on the market that they push price lower to this historical high volume level, what is confirmed here, right, with from Tuesday. Here was the Tuesday smooth, and also actual this week volume appeared here. Yeah, so insane how we can see how the market is reacting with previous days volumes and the previous week's volumes. I just want to switch to the 1 hour, or even look for a second 2 weeks ago. So I would also draw here that the potential big rejection could happen here. Yes, I still don't see here any clean demand, but I know that some buyers appeared here to crush this equal highs and to push price higher. Extremely big move. So I would be set, yes, with like this one. Like this one, I would be set with my zones confirmed with the high volume levels to see. So really, I was only focused on the supply and expecting the big move somewhere here. Yes, 2 zones, the high volume between could be a deep invader. And yeah, sometimes the price is not moving as we wish. Maybe I'm combining too much. Maybe I'm well, I forgot the word, picky. But this is helping me saving my account, to not jumping on every possibility. I just have some plan, and I'm trying to always follow this. But of course, I'm also doing mistakes, not listening to rules or forgetting about one. These are sometimes emotional traits. Everything can happen. Yes, we can get just a worse day. So yeah, let's choose. Let's add another tool, my most favorite, as imbalance. I like this tool. I also have my own setting. It's already shared on the guide channel, a new WinRAR package. All right, and let's see how it's set to the 0. Yeah, sometimes I'm switching to the ask and bid ratio if I don't see any 0 imbalances, but I prefer to look for rejections from the 0. It's just my own, of course, way of trading. You can apply what suits to you. We don't need to trade same style, as this is maybe impossible that 2 people can trade exactly to the second. So I'm just very proud if you can apply these ideas, what I'm sharing, to your own trading. Okay, guys, so what is here interesting? For now, nothing. Oh yeah, these red balls shows me big imbalances. I love this one here, the 30 to the 0. Even above today, Pavel shared is the 37. Maybe on Footman is this. Maybe 2 balls are too close to each other. Maybe my size is of this one is too big. But if you are watching the chart on the higher time frame, you see some not so balls from, for example, from top, and here's nothing, and something incredible making happened here as the break of this demand. So many proofs that high volume was here, but not for me today. Maybe it was already reached yesterday, but I was expecting really invader here or there. So for me this was like ping pong today, missed buy, missed sell. Yeah, I'm taking fun. M30. A lot of bearish imbalances. So yeah, I'm just talking maybe too much, but this is how I found the market today, is how I'm drawing my zones and what I'm looking for. So I would mark here my key level. Also, what I forgot about the weekly previous week. Look at this, right? These are the high volume areas, and I like to have a focus on the red. This is green, on the green levels. Yes, but it moves high volume, lower, high volume area, and this so tiny shiny. But later in this week, a lot of volume appeared on this area, but here was the imbalance. Yes, you can see how it's like an hourglass. Yes, very wide, then thin, and once again very big area. So even here appeared really exactly this this imbalance. Beautiful. This is just beautiful. I was waiting for this setup so long. So every puzzle is together. Okay, never mind. This was just what I missed about this imbalance on weekly. Beautiful strong areas to see the rejection. And yesterday it looked like the price is going here, but missed and left the unfinished auction. Yeah, beauty of trading. So anything else? Yeah, on M15 I don't have footprint, the market profile, just to observe how the price is moving. So I found here really nice resistance. Here equal lows already taken, wonderful. But I would also wait for deeper move. So no trading day for me. Ping pong, missing my areas of interest. But it's okay. I didn't risk any money today. Also yesterday. So yeah, I am happy. Let's go to the M5. Even here we have equal highs. Yeah, the beautiful moment, interesting, was that here we have the Asian high, and it was taken, yes, by a kind of liquidity grab. Nice volume appeared, and here I would be looking for entry, but take a look at about the distance. It was 4 pips below my supply. Yes, especially that I wanted to see price even higher. Here I see the unfinished, incomplete compression. It was too many missing criteria for me that I missed this, and this move was big. It was distance 30 pips, right? But you all have own criteria, own rules. I'm missing missing setups right now, but that's why I can trade 1-2 times a week, and yeah, still have sometimes almost 20%. So let's switch to the M1, guys, and where was the trap for me, in my opinion? Yeah, this is nice move. Yes, the taking of these highs, equal highs, Asian session, wonderful, and just taken. I would be rethinking about joining, but this distance, I don't like to take trades not from zone. I agree that maybe some of you had a different supply. I'm just thinking where it could be. No, I don't see any other zone. I don't see. Anyways, some of you took the trade with balls of steel. Ed took incredible sell from here and was holded still when it was in minus. So it proves the belief on the process, belief on where you want to see the price. It's extremely nice trade. And if later, yes, the price is breaking the structure, true move, I would be thinking if these are not equal highs. Maybe overthinking. Then I found something interesting on the footprint. It was this candle, 1204. Let's find it. This is, sorry, 5-minute time frame. Yes, sometimes you are asking me why I am switching M1 with M5 on footprint. Why sometimes this time frame, why this? The reason is when price is in one big mess, is ranging, I prefer to watch the candles on M5 because then I see more data in one block, and it's easier for me to find the absorption, the stopped orders, and in this basis I am making my decisions. But when price is moving nicely, smoothly, I love to find my imbalances on M1, and yeah, the candles are then bigger also, not just like here 2-3 clusters. It's shit, yes, with bad words. It's, yeah, this is nothing, yes. In one candle M5 this could be 8-9 clusters, way better. It's up to you which time frame you use. As I said yesterday on the announcement, honestly this is for me any difference which tools I use. This is all the same numbers, this is all real volume, yes, but we see only the different drawings on our charts. But this is all based on with same data. At this price level, big banks put this so many orders. Yes, this is for me same. Everything is same. So I just like to switch because for some delta is nice, for the others nice are view ups. This is all based on these numbers. So I hope that no more confusions. Okay, 12.4. Wonderful. No one was interested at this price level at this time. Strange, maybe beauty, something beautiful, and I would mark these two clusters to maybe join the sellers, right? The volume was 35, and then by watching these rejections you could find that volume decreased. Yes, 86 jumped to the 17, 2 times lower than measured candle just 5 minutes later. How it is in here? It is here. Yeah, it was this candle. Take a look if what you could think, yes, if this is support, potential liquidity grab, break of last supply, and jumping to buyers or jumping to sellers. Yes, even here appeared the bullish imbalance. He was kind of order block below the supply. For me, just for me, it was the 50-50. How to read the price action. Yes, joining the sellers to go deeper or joining the buyers. Yes, I don't like 50-50 setups. I don't like to choose which side I want to join. I like to be almost sure. I like to clean setup. So it would be only one place where maybe I would be looking for anything, but really this way of thinking was confusing for me. Yes, where to join, and especially that here I see the equal highs. Don't need this line, and this also. So maybe I would join here if my zone would be drawn different, but I would be finished with 1-to-1 or break even by managing this trade, and because price this last demand holded the price nicely, volume was decreasing, and I would be scared if there are really chances to break this. So yeah, that's probably it what I wanted to show you. Yeah, my main focus on this video was to show you how I'm drawing my zones and what about the market profile. Just due to some messages I got. So it was my plan for today. And yeah, one of you asked me about my skin for the trade manager. It is like this. It is the dark one. I just like this because it passed to my background. But yeah, the color doesn't matter if this is the white background or dark or even purple. Matter what you have in your head and how you use your knowledge. So really, colors doesn't matter. I love this tool because just by putting the price button, I can set my TP without doing anything. Yes, I usually always have here put the number 30 as 3 pips stop loss, and then I'm just moving my line to be ready, yes, and then just buying or selling. Very fast execution, so I just love this tool. And what I need to say, just in case, because on my another account, the smaller one, I made a mistake. If you have activated price and activated button calculate, and you will make this as a background, but these two buttons will be activated here, and you will move your chart up or down, then you don't see the current price, it will put the trade on the chart somehow. I don't know why this is working like that. Maybe this is just my own bug, but it's like this. Yes, when I have calculate set and my risk is calculated, really moving like this, I am already in the sell transaction somehow. And how I'm moving my chart, it is at properties. I have set scale fix on my options, and then I can move my chart as in trading view. So really this is not a bad tool, the MetaTrader, yes, this but as I said about colors, tool also that doesn't matter, the platform, just we need to see the candles and use the knowledge properly. Thank you for watching, guys. No trading day, just explain my view, and yeah, probably see you tomorrow. I will be also looking for any opportunity, maybe more aggressive. Who knows how I will feel tomorrow. This is also important, yes. Our feeling at the trading day. Today I can say I will be disciplined, but tomorrow maybe I will have pressure, maybe I will be sick. Yeah, who knows. Thank you guys for watching. Longer video, maybe boring, and just explain how I use what I use now. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice afternoon or evening.